Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Today I have another one of my PR unboxing videos slash free stuff YouTuber sketch slash what's in my P.O. box slash what's new in beauty, whatever you want to call it. That is what I'm doing today. I'm showing you some of the latest launches and products that are now available in the market that have been sent to me by brands or their PR representatives. If you are not a fan of these type of videos, I totally understand. Feel free to exit out and check out some of the many other videos that I have available on my channel. I cover beauty, fashion, travel, home decor, you name it, I cover it all. But if you're still with me, let's go ahead and open up these boxes. So the first thing I'm going to open up is a box from Fashionphile. Now, I did not purchase anything from Fashionphile recently. At least I don't think I have. I don't think I blacked out and just shopped Fashionphile. That might be the case. I don't think it is, but who knows? So I'm really curious as to what this is. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here is that Fashionphile box. Already I'm seeing some of that gray and pink confetti paper that comes in their boxes. I love how festive it is. It's always so excited to open up one of these boxes because you know you're gonna have something really special inside. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, okay. So, oh, very cool. Here is what's inside. It says Spa Day for your bag. We're all about helping you protect your investment. Our team of experts have crafted some TLC and CPR in a bottle to keep your bags looking beautiful and fresh. Pour some cucumber water and enjoy a spa day on us. Awesome. So I guess this is new to their line. Now, they've been selling some Fashionphile merchandise on their website for a while now, but I guess this is a new launch for them, and how exciting and how perfect that, yes, of course, Fashionphile should have their own cleaning products for the amazing designer handbags and leather products that you buy from their site. Very cool. Congratulations, Fashionphile, on these new products. Okay, so the first thing here is the CPR Clean, Protect, Renew. This is a handbag leather cleaner. Very cool. And then this is TLC, Total Leather Care Handbag Leather Conditioner. So now you can not only go to Fashionphile to find those amazing pre-loved or brand new Fashionphile items, designer handbags, designer leather goods, etc. But now you can actually go to them to buy the products that you can use to clean those items. Very cool. Oh, and the other side of that paper, it has expert tips, best way to store your bags, tricks for spot cleaning a leather bag. What about bad interior odors? Is there a way to restore the shape of a bag? Very cool. Love this. Awesome. The next item that was sent to me is also not a beauty product. This actually came to me from Nintendo, and it is the Super Mario Maker 2. I actually had a chance to play this a couple of weeks ago, and it is really fun and really cool for your kids because they get to build their own game. It says here, Mario fans of the world unite. Now you can play, create, and share the side-scrolling Super Mario courses of your dreams in the Super Mario Maker 2 game, available exclusively on the Nintendo Switch system. Dive into the single-player story mode and play built-in courses to rebuild Princess Peach's castle. Make your own courses alone or together. A new side-scrolling Mario adventure that unleashes the creative potential of Super Mario Maker 2 awaits in story mode, which contains over 100 built-in courses. And in Course Maker, a wide range of parts, tools, and more are available, so you can construct your own courses. Want coin shooting cannons, Bowser riding on a giant Goomba, Cat Mario sliding down slopes to take out an army of baddies? Go for it. You can call the shots. Pass a Joy-Con controller to a friend or family member to build cooperatively on a single system. Very cool. The next box was gifted to me by TONYMOLY. If you guys have not heard of this brand or haven't tried them out, I highly encourage you to look them up because they sell some of the cutest products I've ever seen. Just the packaging is super adorable, just the cutest of the Asian beauty products out there. But not only are they cute, adorable, and fun to look at and display, but they're actually really good products. They're not gimmicks. let me show you this. It is their Glow For It Roses and Peaches set. This has a retail value of $44, but only costs $33. I will link to them and everything, of course, as I always do in the description box below. It says the Glow For It set contains 5 of our best-selling rose and peach products, handpicked for the ultimate healthy glow. I love TONYMOLY. They're just so cute. Their products are adorable. I mean, like the most adorable of the Asian beauty products out there. But not only are they adorable and cute, but they actually work and they're really good products. So I definitely encourage you to try them out if you haven't already. So I'm seeing masks. This is their Vitalizing I'm Rose Mask Sheet. And I have 2 of them right here. These are so cute, so cute. All right, so then we have the Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. I gotta smell these. I have to. Even though it's sealed, I can still smell the peach. This is Panda's Dream Rose Hyaluronic Face Cream. This is I'm Rose Hand Cream. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like a bouquet of roses. It honestly, it does. It's really nice. And then last but not least, it's Panda's Dream Rose Oil Moisture Stick, which looks like this. How cute is this? It's so cute. And then last but not least, I was sent a box from Pantene, and they have sent me 2 products here. This is the Pantene Mist Behaving Dry Conditioner Mist. And then this is Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam 60-second cleansing wash, no residue. Very interesting. All right, it says shake well, section hair, dispense a small amount and apply to dry hair at the roots. Thoroughly rub in, repeat for each section of hair, dry, brush out, style as desired. Really cool. I have not heard of these products before. I am going to be working with Pantene on a project very soon, so please look out for that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now and click that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you can set up notifications and get an email every time my new video is out. I make new videos every single week. Again, I feature beauty, fashion, I do hauls, I do DIY projects, you name it, I cover it all. All right, and that was everything that was sent to me over the last few weeks while I was away in PR. Thanks to all these brands for working with me, and thank you guys so much for watching. It is because of you that these brands reach out to me and work with me and send me products, because they know that you guys come to me for tips and tricks and content. So again, it's because of you guys. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I have a giveaway coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, and click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.